So my new toy is here today for my 360 camera. It's meant to be a selfie stick. Let's have a look and see how good it is. So this is all you get in there, the selfie stick, a few bits to put on, a stand as well for the camera. It feels quite sturdy as well, doesn't feel cheap as the one I had before. So obviously that's my Samsung 360 camera, what I bought this to play with. Hopefully it works well with it. I'll get back to you soon. As you can see, it extends to a good height. It's pretty sturdy in the hand. It doesn't feel as cheap as ones I've owned before. It's a nice size, I think, and it's quite nice balance in your hand. You can also see the part up here. You have the option of putting it in a different direction if you want to hold it out in front of you instead of over you. Very useful thing to have. Another useful option is that part at the bottom you can screw on. You can put it all the way up so you can walk away from your 360 and do a video or photos without you being in the room. Obviously this isn't a Bluetooth selfie stick, but as long as you've got the applications, this doesn't cause a problem. Obviously you also have the option of this part here when you can just screw that into the camera as well, so you don't have to use the selfie stick part. That's quite useful as well, I think. Obviously you can get different heights. Maybe the selfie stick's too high and you want it a bit lower. And obviously these are the parts what come with it. Parts you can screw on, you know, so you can add your cameras, your GoPros, your mobile phones. The selfie stick obviously grows and you can choose what length you want it to be at, and obviously that on its own, what you can also make it into a tripod standing up. And obviously the other option is you can turn your camera, as I said, sideways if you want to do like a different view if you're walking, or just doing standstill. My opinion on this so far, out of 10 I'd give it a sturdy 8 out of 10. Obviously not used it enough yet to decide if it's strong enough and how long it will last. Thank you very much for watching.